Welcome to JSServices. In this presentation, I will go over a quick way to get started with the analytics and show how they can make an immediate impact on your trading by improving your market state awareness through a fact focus. Hello, my name is John Slazas. I started JSServices over 30 years ago while working on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange floor. Back then, and still to this day, the best information a trader can have is objective facts. An unbiased resource that improves the clarity of the current condition, enhances the ability to make intuitive decisions. Opinions are only as good as your last call, and can add value as an indicator bias at best. Market truths, however, are foundation facts that can be incorporated as part of a sustainable trade plan. JSServices has been supporting professional traders like yourself since 1985 and offers you the same proven resource to complement your trading. The JS Analytics presents the technical fact foundation by identifying a market state, the price structure that defines that state, and the inherent strategy themes of that state and structure dynamic. Knowing the fact foundation is the basis of what JSServices has to offer. The desktop application provides a comprehensive overview of each layer of analytics that paint a picture of the technical environment. The base code of the foundation is the market state condition and the characteristics that define it. You should know the facts that define the condition as well as the transitional expectations of the state. Markets are in a constant transition from one state to the next. Identifying the market is performing to the expectation or not is real knowledge. A market that's in a non-trend, neutral digestion market state has a sideways expectation. But there is also a transitional characteristic of this state, which is that it can produce a breakout session. Both conditions are characteristics of the state condition, and both have attributes that can dominate the picture. The position of the R level on the price map defines the structure bias, which will skew the characteristics of the state and provide additional insight to the truth of what the current condition is and what's more likely to occur. The structure bias commentary is located on the Playbook Strategy tab and provides insight to the influence of the state condition and the type of price action that can be anticipated. Strategy themes are the result of adding the state condition and the structure bias together. The result offers the basis of creating a more systematic approach to trading by summarizing the session opportunity into an if-then statement. If the market is in a certain state with a certain structure, then these are the strategy themes that should be anticipated to dominate price action. Any market that's in the same state and the same structure will have the same strategy themes. The optimal strategy themes are the best as they are in alignment with the characteristics and structure that makes the definition of the state true. Hedge strategies are in alignment with a break-in structure and the transitional characteristics of the state. These are valid but of lesser value, as they result in a shift in state is more difficult to predict than a state that is performing to expectation. Knowing the market state facts provides a strategy foundation for your trading tactics, which can be aligned with the price structure of the market. The next step is to identify real-time facts by observing price action within the price map structure. Is the market performing to the state characteristics? Is the market holding structure? Is a strategy theme in play? Identifying the real-time facts is always a good go-to when you lose clarity and need to resync with the market. Observing price action within market structure in the context of the state provides real-time clarity so opportunity can be anticipated. In this example, price action is trending after digesting around the R level, which is demonstrating a transitional behavior and a hedge strategy theme. Awareness of this condition and knowing the opportunity allows you to align your trading with what is most likely to occur. If the market is performing to the state characteristics and is holding structure, then you align your trading tactics with the optimal strategy theme. If the market is performing to the transitional expectation of the state and is breaking structure, then align tactics to the hedge strategy theme. If the market is not performing to the expectation of the state and is not holding transitional structure, then the market is considered to be in a non-event session and no trading is recommended. Knowing the facts associated with the state and structure dynamic assists in identifying the strategy theme that is dominating the session. An important note: the playbook strategies are defined as specific strategies. A buy-R breakout is a strategy that wants to buy the market using a breakout strategy at the R level. But more importantly, it represents a theme which is part of the condition of the market state. Trading tactics should be aligned with this theme. The market does not always provide us the opportunity to participate at the optimal entry level identified in the playbook, which if presented should be a potentially max size opportunity. Trades away from the optimal entry area are valid if they are aligned with the theme, but at a smaller size than you would use at a price map level, which is defined by the playbook strategy. What is important to note is that if the hedge strategy theme is engaged and confirmed with a break in structure, this is the signal that the market state is in transition. If this is true, then we know the optimal strategy expectation is not true and not expected to play out. There should be no hope that it will, and any thinking that the state is still digestive because the statement is no longer true. Another common mistake that traders make who missed a playbook strategy entry during an overnight session will think, like in this example, that the rally is overdone and due for a break back into a digestive trade, when instead they should be aligning their tactics to the expectation of a breakout trend move, which is what is expected in a neutral digestion market state that is in transition. JS Analytics serve as the basis to standardize trade plans and provide a systematic approach to trading by identifying the fact foundation of the market. A trade plan or method can be more sustainable by aligning it with JS Analytics. This is done by aligning your method with the state, structure, and strategy theme that complements your tactics. Normalize your trade strategies into your workflow with JSServices applications to make them more consistent. And optimize your trade tactics with JSServices third-party integration and market metrics to make them more effective. JSServices Analytics offer a foundation to standardized methods so they can be systematically applied to any market. Instead of having a market focus, with the desktop, traders have a resource to have a strategy focus, or a strategy-based trading approach. With a strategy-based approach, a trader focuses on their strategy and the market state and structure bias that complement their method. In doing so, you align your tactics with conditions that support it and are more likely to occur. An added benefit is that you are more aware and in tune with the nuances of the condition and are able to quickly identify when things are changing for or against your tactic. You become a master of a condition or theme, which you can identify in any market using the desktop application to apply your tactic in. JSServices offers time-tested quantitative market state analytics that produce clarity of the current condition to anticipate opportunity and gain a competitive edge. Please send your feedback and questions to info@jsservices.com. I look forward to working with you.